Mastering the art of pasta is a culinary journey that transcends mere sustenance, delving into the realms of tradition, creativity, and craftsmanship. At its core, pasta making is a tactile experience, requiring a deft touch and a keen understanding of the ingredients. The foundation of exceptional pasta lies in the dough, a simple amalgamation of flour and eggs, or for the purists, flour and water. Creating the perfect dough is an art in itself, demanding the right ratio of ingredients and a patient kneading process to achieve the ideal texture. The transformation of these basic components into a silky, elastic dough is a sensory pleasure, signaling readiness for the subsequent stages of pasta creation. Once the dough is prepared, the rolling process unfolds, each sheet becoming a canvas for a myriad of pasta shapes. From the classic tagliatelle to the intricate farfalle, the possibilities are as diverse as the regions of Italy. The rolling pin becomes an extension of the cook's hands, guiding the dough to the desired thickness and texture. The delicate dance between precision and intuition is evident as each shape emerges, a testament to the artisanal touch applied to the pasta. The art of shaping pasta extends beyond the ubiquitous spaghetti or penne. It encompasses stuffed varieties like ravioli and tortellini. Crafting these filled delicacies requires patience and a keen eye for detail. The filling, whether a rich blend of ricotta and spinach or a savory meat concoction, introduces an additional layer of complexity. The sealing of each pocket demands finesse, ensuring that the flavors are encapsulated within a perfectly pinched pasta parcel. The symmetrical beauty of tortellini, folded with a practiced hand, or the rustic charm of irregularly shaped orecchiette exemplifies the nuanced mastery achievable in pasta making. The cooking process, seemingly straightforward, holds the key to elevating pasta from mere nourishment to a sublime dining experience. Achieving the elusive al dente texture requires vigilance, with the pasta bathed in boiling water for just the right duration. The transformative moment when the pasta transitions from raw to toothsome perfection is a testament to the chef's expertise. The accompanying sauces, whether a simple marinara or a complex bolognese, are carefully orchestrated to complement the pasta without overshadowing its inherent flavors. Beyond the traditional wheat-based pasta, the contemporary culinary landscape has opened the door to experimentation with alternative flours such as semolina, whole wheat, or even gluten-free options. These variations cater to diverse dietary preferences while showcasing the adaptability of pasta making. The incorporation of vibrant ingredients like spinach, squid ink, or beets not only infuses color but imparts unique flavors, turning each pasta dish into a sensorial delight. The mastery of pasta making is not confined to the confines of a traditional kitchen. It extends into a cultural and familial tapestry. The passing down of recipes through generations, the communal act of rolling and shaping at family gatherings, and the shared joy of savoring a homemade pasta dish create a tapestry that weaves together tradition, love, and culinary artistry. Each plate of meticulously crafted pasta serves as a narrative, echoing the hands and hearts that contributed to its creation. In conclusion, the art of pasta making is a symphony of technique, tradition, and creativity. A step-by-step guide to mastering pasta is an invitation to embark on a culinary odyssey, where the hands that knead the dough and shape the pasta tell a story that transcends time and place. As the al dente perfection is savored and the flavors unfold, the pasta enthusiast discovers not just a meal but a celebration of craftsmanship, a testament to the transformative power of culinary artistry.